Pretty simple. We have different for a drive-in latch or a faceplate. Now this is adjustable. From the edge of the door to the center of the hole, it's either 2 3/8 or 2 3/4. Occasionally, there's 5-inch. I don't think these don't come in a 5-inch at all right now. So the two sizes we will have is 2 3/8, 2 3/4. This one actually says tops. Some people say, we call this Mickey Mouse ears up. So you sort of say, you know, that's how you tell it from upside down or right side up. So it's simple adjustment between 2 3/8 is the shorter version and little twists. That's all. 2 3/4. So just twist it. Or you could read the instructions. So there we go. What is this one? Is it 2 3/8 or 2 3/4? There we go. This is perfect. So this is a 2 3/4 back set. Now use your wood screws. And we don't crank these in like crazy. Just do them tight. Just snug. That's all, snug. If you over tighten these in, you can have a problem with the deadbolt not going in. You can jam up the deadbolt. So we go way too tight on these. So we just go snug. We don't crank it down to the end. So wood screws there. Now it's important, they'll be on the instructions, they have it, but on the deadbolt itself, on the inside plate, so this is the outside, this will go on the outside of the door, and right in there, so if you've got a new house, you've just taken this over, and you want to know how to reset the combinations and everything, here's the factory codes, and it's right on that little label there. So on the label is the programming code, and that's what we set in to program new numbers. We also have a user code A and a user code B. So these are hardwired into the firmware. So if you take the lock off, you can see what the user code A and user code B is and the programming code. Sometimes we do is we'll write in a marker, we'll write it on the inside. We'll put in what the programming code is there and user A and user B. So sometimes we just put code A and B, and that way if we take off the plate we can just see what it is. Now we read the instructions. On some of the other electronic deadbolts, you have to time the door and all sorts of things. This one's pretty simple. If you put the bolt out, so just use a little flathead screwdriver, put it in the little slot there, and just put the bolt out. If the bolt's out, 100% of the time this lock will go together correctly. Be careful with the lead. We want to put it over top. So that goes together nicely. Now on the inside, the wire through the little spot there. The tailpiece of the lock will go into the back there. Bingo. Perfect. Our wires aren't crimped. So the two machine screws will hold the deadbolt in. Just finger tight, just get each one started and no cross threading it. They just go in really nice. And again, just snug. This is with the 9-volt battery here will be the power to light up the outside. So we're just going to snap it in. Snap it in, get it out of the way. Hook up the 9-volt battery. Let's get this out of the way up here. Again, it shows you top. Shows you where to put it in there. Got a little holding spot for it. And we have two machine screws. Because we had the bolt out, when we put it together, bolt out, key out, goes together perfect every time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.